have Gridline Plus.
Okay.
So Gridline actually comes from the same product family of entrance flooring that Jason just talked to you about. Gridline Plus was actually a little further developed to meet a variety of other design needs.
Okay.
So traditionally you see a lot of stainless steel used on exterior of buildings and facades.
Right.
So what we wanted to do here was there's such a surge in stainless steel usage on the interiors. So we actually wanted to be able to provide an option to bring that from the exterior of the building to the interior of the building. So it can be used in a variety of ways. Here you can see that we have it mounted to the wall in sort of a wall panel fashion. It can be used for stairway accents, tree rings, you name it, anything that you would use generally a stainless grid for. That's what we would intend this to be used as.
Okay, wonderful.
So I'm going to take you over to the table so I can show you some of our customizable options.
Okay.
So a couple of the things that we can do with Gridline Plus in order to make it fit your specific project, we can actually change the wire size and the wire spacing. So you see here we have a couple different sizes and variations available, more delicate rails versus the thicker, heavier rails. Another thing that we can do as well is most of the samples that you see here are just our satin stainless steel finish, but we can also powder coat the stainless steel so that it'll work with a variety of color palettes that you have within your interior. Another great thing that we can do is actually change the orientation of these rails.
Okay.
So here you can see they're all linear right now, but we have the ability to create angles. We also have the ability to create concentric rails as well. So if you're working with a radius, let's say it was a tree ring, we're able to radius around that. So again, very customizable product. It's something that can be used decoratively and as well on actually air diffusers in the floor.
That's what I was going
or
to
the
say.
walls.
You mentioned accents and that's decorative,
Yes.
but it's also functional. It
Yes,
has a purpose.
absolutely.
Right.
Yes. So wall panel applications don't have to just be decorative. They could also be covering, HVAC in the wall, but also like kind of masking that and hiding that so you're not drawing attention to that. As well as I said, air diffusers in the floor. It's also creating that little grate that you're able to still walk over, but it's still serving a purpose. So
Great.
yes, absolutely.